Chanellies, and welcome to day 3 of the 8 days of Christmas. I have been posting a video every single day leading up to Christmas, starting with the 8th day of Christmas, because Destiny's Child said. Today I'm coming to you guys with this look inspired by Amanda Ensing. I love the eye look, so that is what we are attempting today. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. So today I'll be using the Carli Bible BH Cosmetics palette. I think that this palette is perfect for the color scheme that she did. She used a lot of mauves. She used a lot of mauves and like taupey colors, and this is the only palette that I have with those types of colors, so that's what we're using today. So the first thing she did was go into her transition shade, which barely showed up on her. So we're going to go into our transition color and pop that right in the crease. And maybe we can talk while I'm doing this eye look. We can try. I don't know. I'm not very good at talking and doing my makeup. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Okay, but that is our transition shade. Say hi to Simba. Next, she goes into a matte mauve shade to create the wing. Now, she did like pull her eye in order to create the look, but I'm just gonna try to get that same blown out effect. Okay, so here's what we have for our eye shape, and I'm perfectly okay with that. It's not going to look exactly like hers because we have different eyes. The next thing that she did was go into a brown taupey color to intensify. So do y'all watch Amanda Ensing? I think I started watching her this year. My friend put me on to her. The very first video that I saw, I don't know, it was kind of motivational. Maybe it had something to do with her previously working at Sephora and the things she went through with working at Sephora, and you know, her coworkers not being really supportive to her. But I really enjoyed the first video that I saw from her, and that is why I subscribed to her. But let me know, do y'all watch her? Like, what do y'all think of Amanda Ensing? I know one video that I saw of hers that I was like, oh, was the collaboration she did with Mariale, and it was like her doing YouTube tutorial or a makeup tutorial in Spanish. Mariale was giving her the instructions in Spanish, and Amanda had to do whatever Mariale was saying. She did not know what she was saying. It was so funny to watch. I definitely want to do a video like that, just seeing if I can do my makeup in Spanish, because I haven't been practicing my Spanish as much as I should be. Literally, this BH Cosmetics Carli Bible palette has every single color that Amanda used. The next thing she did was take a deep matte plum color to intensify the look even more. I'm going to go back into that BH Cosmetics small brush, and I'm going to go into this deep plum shade. But I'm not going to add any more pigment now. I'm just going to blend it out. I'm pretty sure the next thing she did was go in with a dual chrome purple silver shimmer on her outer lid. Our Eco Tools brush, and blend that out a little bit more. Her look looks a little more frosty just because her eyeshadow base looks more pale on her. So I think I'm going to go into these lighter colors from the BH Cosmetics palette and just lightly dust that over my lid. Okay, now the moment we've all been waiting for is the glitter. So we have this Makeup for Melanin Girls Pressed Glitter palette. I used this palette in my last video, and we have a couple of silver options in this palette. We have this white glitter, and it's like iridescent pink and blue. We have this more warm silver up here, and we have a cooler tone silver down here. And finally, I have this NYX Face and Body Glitter, and this is in the color Gunmetal. So this is like a darker silver color. I think I want to mix a couple of them together just so we can get that iridescent, like multi-dimensional look. So I'm taking a little bit of that glitter glue. I'm going into that more cool tone silver that I showed y'all. Now I'm going into the NYX. Are we doing something? Are we doing something? Or are we doing nothing? Are we just making it look a mess even more? I'm going to take this white glitter from the Makeup for Melanin Girls palette, the iridescent one. Let's take that original mauve color and I'm going to trace. Well, forget having a conversation. We just trying to salvage this look. That is the topic of conversation. Is it cute? No. But is it terrible? Also no. Like, it's not terrible. So I think I'm gonna work with it. I am gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera just because I really need to look in a different mirror and see if I actually look a hot mess. Because if I do look a hot mess, then we gotta go back to the drawing board because I need to record another video. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I'm not mad at it. Like, it's not ugly. It's also not cute. Like, it's a happy medium and I'll take that. I went ahead and added the Fenty Diamond Bomb. As y'all can see, that's why I'm glowing. I figured that nice, like, silver sparkly look was perfect for this. And I added a mauve lip. I did Chili Chili Plus Chi by ColourPop with a little bit of gloss on top because it was my lips was feeling too dry, girl. Amanda definitely made it look easier than it actually is. I will say that. But I do like the way the look came out. Y'all let me know. Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you're keeping up with 8 Days of Christmas. Today is day 3, so that means there are 2 other videos that you could be watching right now. I'm going to put them right here for your convenience, okay? That's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.